Hey, good morning my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another remedy of honey and saliva. They are very important remedy in that it helps you to attract money. So listen to me very careful how I'm going to direct you how to use this remedy of saliva and honey. So you use the saliva very early in the morning before brushing, before talking to anyone. You get my point? Before, like for example, you've slept with your partner, you've slept with your babies, don't talk to them before you use this saliva. Don't brush before you use the saliva. So the way, sorry about my voice. So if you're this kind of a person who is always lacking money, who is always promised money and you're not given, this is the best solution for you. The best solution for you, and you're going to use it like for good 7 days. Every time before you want to do something, you borrow money. You want to play here, you want to borrow money. You want to go for outing with friends, you want to borrow money. You don't have money of your own. You're always borrowing money. You're always in debt. You always don't have money in your pocket. So this is the best solution for you. Get the early morning saliva before showering, or I mean before brushing. Yes, you can shower after showering. After showering, then you get your saliva and honey. You put them in the hands, in the palm. You rub your palms with that honey and saliva, the way you're seeing it, the way I'm doing. Rubbing. Meanwhile, you're rubbing your hands, you're manifesting money. For example, someone promised you money. For example, like, let me give you an example of myself, Shida TV. Like Shida TV has promised you money and it's taking long to give you money. You have to call Shida TV before the 7 days elapses. I want my money. You promised me money. Give me my money. Whoever has promised you money, keep on calling their names. You want money, they should give you money. You want your own money. You call names for that person who has promised you money. You're going to business, still do the same. You're going to open up your business, or you're going in the morning to work, say the same. Customers, you should come and give me money. Customers, you should come and buy my products. Customers, you should come and pay me all my products that I'm selling. You get my point? You're going to work. They have taken long without paying you. Still do the same thing. My boss, I want you to pay me my money. You promised me money to pay me this week, but you have not paid me my money this week. You promised me money to pay me for last month, but you haven't paid me money for last month. So in case you've been taken like 3 months without being paid, and I've kept on promising you, we're going to give you next month, then next month goes elapses without being paid, again, they tell you next month, again next month. You get my point? So you call your boss's name, meanwhile you're rubbing the hands. My boss, so before this week elapses, I want my money. You get my point? And the first day you're doing that, when you've done that, the first day, call your boss. You check on your boss. Yes, boss, how far? How far with my money? Or someone who has promised you money. You ask them, how far? You promised me money, how far? When should I check on you? Yeah, the first day you've done that, that's the first day you should call them. How far? You promised me money, when should I come for it? When should I expect it? You get, so you call them on that first day after using that remedy. Then you keep on doing like for good 7 days. Trust me, you see the results. Before the 7 days elapses, or after the 7 days elapsing, within that period, they are going to give you your money. Someone who has taken like 3 months without being paid, they are going to pay you. They are going to pay you all the 3 months. All the 4 months they have not paid you, your boss has not paid you. So just keep rubbing your hands and manifesting what your boss says. Manifesting to be given money by your boss that they promised you. In case you want salary increase, you worked for a very long time in that company. It's the same amount of money. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 6 months, 5 years, the same amount of money, and you're begged for salary increase. They're not increasing your money. Still just do that. Wake up very early in the morning, put saliva on the other hand, put honey on the other hand, rub your hands, and you begin telling your boss, Sanso, I want you to increase my salary. I've tried telling you for a very long time to increase my salary, but you haven't increased my salary. So increase my salary. So you'll be manifesting those words. Boss, increase my salary. I want you to increase my salary. Before the 7 days or before this month elapses, increase my salary because I deserve the best. I deserve good amount of money. I work in this organization for a very long time. So, and whenever you're doing that, please have faith. Have faith, have faith, have faith. I don't want you to do that like, let me try just doing, I don't know whether it will work or it won't work, but let me just do it. No. If you don't have faith, trust me, it won't work. It only works for people who have faith and who believe that it will work. You get my point? So have faith whenever you're doing that. So come back in my comment section and tell me how far it has worked for you, and also go to my previous videos and see how it has worked for you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye. Love you all.